Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Discord and game overlay. So basically what you'd want to do is go open your Discord up, click on the gear icon here, which redirects you to your user settings. Scroll down till you see the game overlay, which is under the activity settings category right here. Click on that, so you'll see all of these options. So if you just want to disable the text chat notifications, you can click on this one. But if you just want to disable everything, which is basically the in-game overlay, just click on this there. Or if you also want to change your positions, so there. Also, if you just don't want to see any notifications or basically disable it, you just need to click on this one. And if you changed your mind and want to open the in-game overlay again, so you just need to go back to this page here, which I showed you guys, and just click on this one again. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.